In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the free Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. Let's get started by opening up your Google Chrome browser on your computer. It's really easy to do if it's not already open. Just find the Chrome icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications. Once you have Chrome open, take your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you're going to type in the web store URL. Go ahead and type chrome.google.com web store and then hit enter. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, the marketplace where you can find a variety of extensions and themes to enhance your browsing experience. Now, at the top middle of the Web Store page, you'll see a search box. Here, you're going to enter the name of the extension you're looking for, which is Free Download Manager. Simply type that in and press enter to initiate the search. Once the page loads with the search results, you should see the Free Download Manager extension listed there. Look carefully and click on the one that matches the name we're focusing on today. This will bring you to the extensions page, where you can find more details and reviews about it if you're curious. On the extension page, you'll find a button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a pop-up will appear to confirm that you want to add this extension to your browser. This step is important because it's asking for your permission to integrate the extension into your Chrome experience. So you'll want to click on Add Extension in the pop-up to continue. After you confirm, the extension will begin installing, and you'll see the Free Download Manager icon become visible in your Chrome toolbar, which is typically located in the top right corner of your window. This icon allows you instant access to the extension's features once the installation is complete. Now, if for some reason you don't immediately see the icon in your toolbar, don't worry, there's an easy fix. You can locate it by clicking on the puzzle piece icon, which is the extensions menu. From there, simply look for Free Download Manager, and next to it you'll see a little pin icon. Clicking the pin will ensure it stays visible in your toolbar for easy access. And there you have it. The Free Download Manager extension is now part of your Chrome setup, ready to help manage your downloads more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.